morning, welcome back to my channel. I fell off the YouTube earth for a minute, but we're back. We're better than ever. Kids are back in school, family's doing good, and I today am going to talk about this beast of a bag. This bag I've had for a long time. I may have even done a review before. I've owned it in multiple colors, and honestly, I never found like that sweet spot where I was very happy with how it packed up. So my husband used it as his bag for years, and then I stole it back. I packed it up. I've been using it for the better part of the summer, and it's a dream. So I'm going to change my camera angle. I'm going to show you how much stuff is in here, and then you can go grab one because it's fantastic. So here we go. This is the Dagne Dover Indie backpack. It is marketed as a diaper bag, but of course it's a backpack, so it would work for many other applications as well. I have been using this bag for probably about 2 months, and I just leave it packed up for when we are doing all-day adventures as a family. So I don't lug it around every day, but when we are headed to our local theme park or going to a museum or going out all day where I feel like I need all the things to keep me and my kids happy, this has been my go-to. It even went to the beach with us. It's been fantastic. So on the front of the bag, you do have these 2 zippers here. I love that they're this like chunky plastic zipper. I just think that's real cool. So it looks like these are 2 pockets, but they're actually the same pocket. They both go to the same place, if you can see my gum there. And they did that so that you could put a pack of wipes in here and then access it through the zipper. I tried it, I didn't love it, so I just have this packed up with some of my essentials. So inside this pocket you do get 3 little pen loops. So I have a Tide to Go pen, a regular pen, and then this multicolor pen that I can give to the kids to keep them busy. Then right next to that, I have this little charger from Amazon. I love this thing. It's so compact and lightweight, but I think it's 6,000, whatever those units are called. So it will actually fully charge my phone, which I appreciate. And then I have that pack of gum that you saw, and my AirPods in there. So that pocket definitely holds a good amount of items, and they stay nice and organized, and they don't bump out of the bag either. And then I just attached 2 little charms to the key ring here, a little tassel, and then this little itsy ritzy charm says mama on it, and it just looks so cute. I love how they look on there. So then on the side of the bag you do get 2 bottle pockets, and they will fit decent sized bottles. I don't have any in mine, but on this side I do have a hand sanitizer from Touchland. Then moving to the back of the bag, you do get really nice backpack straps. These are hands down the most comfortable backpack straps I have ever worn. I don't know what magic is inside of here, but they truly are magical and so comfortable. This is a luggage sleeve. I did make the mistake when I first bought this bag of thinking this was a pocket, and I put something in here and then it fell right out the bottom. So that would be a cool feature for them to add, if they could add a zipper here, because this is a great spot for like an iPad mini or like the paperwork they hand you at the doctor's office that you don't know what to do with. It would be cool if you could put it back there, but definitely not a deal breaker. Then you have these 2 side pockets here, and these are great places to keep things really safe and secure. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and it does fit, but it's tight. So if you have one of the bigger iPhones, they definitely will not fit in that pocket. But if you have a smaller one or a mini, it will fit for sure. And then there's the same pocket on the other side. I don't have anything in it. I have used them with like a small wallet, and I'll stick my wallet back here, but the wallet I'm using now is on the inside of the bag. So let's go to the inside, and I'll show you how much stuff can fit in a bag. I'll give you a little view there. So right on top, I just have a swaddle blanket. This blanket is from Kate and Lane, and although my babies are well past the ages of being swaddled, this blanket comes in handy for everything. Look how, I mean, it's huge. I can use this as a blanket, but it rolls up super nice and thin, and we use it if the kids get cold in a restaurant, if the baby, who's not really a baby anymore, wants to sleep on the go. We use it to help him get cozy. It's just come in handy for so many things that I just love having it there. Once that's gone, you can see how organized everything is inside. The one thing with Dagne Dover bags is they match their lining perfectly to the outside of the bag. So if you get a darker color, the inside of your bag is going to be dark, which can make it harder to find things. So I have this packed up with a mix of different pouches and accessories, but they're all light colored, and it's made it really easy to find things in the bag. So I'm going to start pulling pouches out. A lot of this stuff you have seen before if you watch my videos. The first thing is a large set piece by Jujubee, and I just think this print looks so pretty with this bag. This is the largest piece in the set, and I have it filled with snacks because my kids get hangry if they don't eat. So that always comes with us. We are officially out of diapers, hallelujah. So I don't have any diapers in here, but I still managed to pack it real full of stuff. Here is the medium piece from that set, and in here I have restaurant essentials, and I don't always need this stuff, but I really like having it. So when we were at the beach, if we hit a restaurant, a lot of times the kids were sharing food. So I have a silicone placemat, I have food scissors, I have a Go Silly straw, which we use all the time. And then these little toppers for the cups are also super handy because not everyone has lids for their kid cups, and that can get messy real fast. So that I like to bring with us. Then sitting next to that, this is the smallest piece in the Lily Jade packing case set, and this is just all the random essentials. Band-Aids, lip gloss, Vaseline, you name it, it's probably in there. There's some medicine and things like that too. Then the next thing is wipes. This is an Itsy Bitsy wipe case. I actually believe it's in their clearance section right now, so if pink is your jam, you can go snag that. But I love this because all that's in here is like a regular pack of wipes, but with the case on, it's not like crinkly like that because I can't handle the crinkle. No, I can't do it. But with this on, I can take a full pack of wipes, and it's cute. So there's that. Then in front of that, this pouch comes with the bag, and I just have this full of like little Bluey characters and dinos and random toys for entertainment when we get stuck somewhere. And then the last thing sitting in the center is my wallet. This is a Carry Kit Teddy wallet, and I absolutely love this. It comes with a wristlet strap and a crossbody strap. So when we were at the beach, I had the crossbody strap, and I could leave the bag in the stroller, and if I was popping into a shop or going out with my mom, I could just grab this, and it fit a pen, my phone, everything fit inside that I would need, and I didn't have to take the whole backpack with me. So truly love this wallet. I'll link it down below if it's still available because it's awesome. So now the center of the bag is empty, so I'm going to take you around the pockets. So in the back laptop sleeve, I have quite a few things. So these are just tickets from a baseball game we went to. I picked this up at the beach, and it is so cool. So it is a little sticker book, but the stickers are all reusable, so we can peel them, we can replace them. It has a little tic-tac-toe game and different activities, so this has been really fun to have on the go for, again, more entertainment purposes. I have my Kindle for reading. I always like to carry a small notebook for either me to jot down notes or the kids color or play tic-tac-toe. And then I also have one of these boogie boards that they can occupy themselves with. And sitting off to the side next to that, I have a Bumpkin small snack bag, and in here I just have some crayons. Tell you this bag can hold a ton. We're not even done. In front of the laptop sleeve you get two mesh pockets. And down in here, I have a little hair kit that I have created. I am not great about getting my daughter's hair done before we leave the house, so I just have a brush and some different hair ties and hair clips so that we can get her looking a little bit more put together even while we're on the go. And then in the other pocket, I have the small piece to the Jujubee set, and I just am keeping brain flakes in there. Again, boredom busters. This is a bag for all day out. So there's just options upon options in here of ways to keep the kids happy. And then on the side, there is a Velcro pocket. I am not currently keeping anything in here, but if you can believe it, my water bottle with all of this stuff fits in here perfectly, and I like that it kind of holds it upright so we don't have to worry about any leaks. And then the last pocket on the bag is on the front wall of the bag. This is a magnetic pocket, and this is where I was keeping a change of clothes for the baby. We just changed seasons, so I don't have one in here currently, but I just had it packed nice and flat, and it fit in there beautifully, and it wasn't bulky. Alright, so that's everything I had in my Dagne Dover Indie backpack. This is the large version. It's great, it's comfortable, it's all the things. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you are doing, and we'll see you in my next video.